Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to Stitch and Carry Creation. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I make this beautiful cute pajama school bag you are seeing on the screen. Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do so, and please make sure you watch the video to the end. So this is the leather I'm going to be using in making the school bag. First of all, I will be starting with the measurement first. So the measurement I cut out for the front part is 14.5 by 11 inches. So I'm going to be showing you how I measure out this. So from here to here I measure out 2.5 inches. From here to here also I measure out 5 inches. And from here to here also I measure 1.5 inches for both sides. So I'm going to be showing you how I was able to shape this side. Then I get my protractor to shape the 5 inches line both sides. So I'm going to be showing you how I shape this side also. So for the width I measure 3 inches and for the length I measure 4 inches. So to get this shape, if you have a round plate, just place it between the measurement of 4.4 inches and 3 inches, then shape it round with it. Now I'm going to cut it out. So I will use this side to shape the second side also. Then I'll also cut it out. So this is how it look like after shaping it, the both side. So I'm going to cut the line of 1.5 inches to shape the line of 2.5 inches. So this is after shaping it out. Then after that, I'm going to cut the line of 5 inches. So now I'm done with the measurement, shaping and the cutting aspect. The next thing now is to start sewing it. And if you have watched the video to this extent, please kindly do so to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all, I will be starting with this first. So this is the cartoon character I will be using. So this is after centralizing it. So the next thing now is for me to join both together by sewing it round. So this is after joining it together. Now I'm going to trim out the excess. So I've cut out lining for it. And I've already cut out the zip cloth I'm going to be sewing together with it. Then I'm going to be placing the zip cloth right side facing each other and sew it. So the next thing, I'm going to place the lining on the zip cloth also and sew it together. So this is how it look like after joining both together. So I'm going to turn the lining to the back side, then I'm going to top stitch it. So this is how it look like after top stitching it. Then I sew the lining together with it round. So now I'm going to trim out the excess lining. So I've done the same thing to this also. You are going to place the zip on it first, then the lining, then you are going to slip the lining over, then you are going to top stitch it and sew it round together with the lining. So now I'm cutting out the excess lining. So now I'm going to be joining both together using my zip teeth. So this is after fixing my zip teeth to it. So I've cut out lining for these two. I'm going to be sewing it together with lining. So I'm going to be starting my sewing from that side, then I will sew it round till I get to this place. Then I'm going to start my sewing again, then I will sew it till I get to this place and stop it here. So this is the lining. I've cut out lining for this. So I'm going to take the cord because I'll be sewing the cord with it together with lining. Then I'm going to turn it upside down because I'm going to sew the cord with it. So I'm going to place the cord from the beginning of that area, then I'm going to sew it around, and I'm going to stop at that point. Then after getting to that point, I will stitch the rest. So the next thing now is that I'm going to measure it round. So I measure out 30.5 inches. Then I'm going to be writing the 30.5 inches down first. Then I want my zipper to start from 5 inches for both sides. Then I'm also going to write the 5 inches down. So I've removed 5 inches here, and it remains 20.5 inches. So that 20.5 inches will be the zip cloth. So I'm going to first cut 21 inches zip cloth, and also cut 5.5 inches gusset for both sides. So the reason why I had the 5 inches to each is because of the sewing allowance. Then I'm going to take this, I'll fold it into two and notch the midpoint. Then I will also fold the zip cloth into two and notch the midpoint both sides. Then I'm going to also fold these two together and notch the midpoint. Then I'm going to place the zip cloth on it, midpoint to midpoint, and sew it round. So now I'm done sewing it round together with it. Then I'm going to cut out the essence. So now I'm going to be taping it round using taping. So now I'm done taping it. You can see how it look like. And also fix my zip teeth with it also.